Okay, so you may be asking yourself how to go about obtaining a Board of Inland Revenue certificate for your business, specifically for use on the OPR website. It is simple. If you are a sole trader, that means you would have been in business for a period of time. If your business is operational, you can go on the Board of Inland Revenue's official website, and there's a link, and if you cannot find the link, you can contact their office and they would give the official link that you would click on, and that is where you would go and file your tax return for the amount of years that you were in business. For example, if your business started in 2021, you will have to file from 2021 to 2024. And within that period of time, if you didn't really make a significant amount, you will still have to pay a fee of at least $250 for every year of operation. And that is the law. Remember, these are fees that if we don't become aware of it so that we can clear it up, it will add up to a large sum, and then we'll be in a lot of trouble with the law of Trinidad and Tobago. And once you pass through that stage, they would give you a total payment that has to be made. You'll get a receipt at the end of that transaction, which you can print and take to the Board of Inland Revenue and clear that debt. And once that debt is cleared, they would be able to produce a certificate for you in less than 7 business days. The BIR number that you have for yourself, you are the main person operating behind the business. You are the visionary behind the business. If it's a sole trader, you are the managing director. So you are using the same Board of Inland Revenue. You would just go into their office and you would have them change it from your personal name to your business name, but it's going to be the same number. Insurance clearance certificate, your NIS clearance certificate, what you would have to do is contact them, and you can reach out to them via phone or email and make a request. And in order to get that clearance certificate, you basically just have not to owe them any money, period. Once you don't owe them any money, they can do a letter for you and you can use that letter. That letter expires every 3 months. So just like a police certificate of good character that has to be renewed every 3 months, the NIS clearance certificate also has to be renewed every 3 months. What I will say to you is, if you have employees, you'll have to apply for a NIS number for them, and you will have to be paying for them, not owing the board, and that is how you'll get it. But if it's a sole trader and you don't have employees and it's just yourself, you can use your same NIS number, and once you don't owe them, you'll be able to get that letter. So these things are attainable, they are achievable. When people hear NIS and BIR, they keep their businesses off the platforms and they try to operate on the down low in fear of having to pay high fees and tax, and that is not something we should do. It's not ethical, and it's not actually high fees. Imagine $250 for a whole year. That is all the Board of Inland Revenue is asking us as sole traders.